In the same way you do the sorting of the numbers, I have to select here sort, and once I select the sort here, I will select the option of custom sort. Then see here you will find out the serial number and name of the student. So I select the name of the student as it is in the text, and I can select the order A to Z or Z to A. So suppose I start with A to Z, then I click on the OK. Now the data is sorted according to the name of the student. Now let us say I wanted to do the reverse. So I again select the same. Then I will do the sorting. Then I again select here custom sort. Now I will do the reverse, that is Z to A. Okay. So now the data will be sorted according to the serial number of instead of the serial number, it will be sorted according to the text.